Questions are visible to you. Questions are visible to you, na? So the first question is given to you. Represent graphically the displacement of the 40 kilometers and 30 degrees east to the north. Okay. So here it is. The question is given to you. Represents the graphically. So very simple here. 30 degrees east to the north is nothing but north direction is upwards. इधर से 30 degrees लेना है. एक ग्राफ ड्रा करके graphically represent करना है. Exercise 10.1. So graphically represent करना is nothing but so displacement of the 40 kilometers. So north is nothing but this one. 40 kilometers. So you need to show it to be here to here it is 40 kilometers. This is 40 kilometers and this is 30 degrees. ये north है, south, east and west. Very simple here. Classify the following measure as a scalar and vector. 10 kilograms. 10 kilograms is a scalar weight and 2 meters northwest. Northwest direction is shown to you. So that's why it is a vector. 40 degrees. Only degrees is measured. That is scalar. 40 watts. It is scalar. 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Scalar. 20 meters per second square. Meters per second square is given here. So that's why it is vector. So next, classify the following as a scalar and a vector. So here in the previous question it is given to you. Number is given to you 10 kgs. 10 kgs is a, it includes the magnitude, that's why it is a scalar. So in the same way each and every thing is given to you. Here third question mein what is given to you? Time period. First question. Time period is a scalar quantity. Time mention karte, time period 2 hours, 3 hours like that. Distance is also a scalar quantity. You know that. Force is a vector which involves the both magnitude and direct. Force, I am applying the force. So some force is equals to formula kya hai? F is equals to, in physics you know that. So because direction also will be there in that force, and velocity, whenever you are taking velocity is also a vector quantity, and work done involves the scalar quantity. It involves the scalar quantity. Next question is given to you. The figure is given to you. One figure is given to you. The fourth question. Oh, sorry. So, for either A bar, this is A vector, and from here to here, B vector, and here to here, it is C vector, and here to here, it is D vector. So the first question is asking co-initial vectors. Co-initial एक ही पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होने वाला वेक्टर्स. So what are the two vectors which starts from the only same point? This and this. A bar and B bar are the vectors which started co-initial vectors. Co-initial is different from the collinear. Collinear is nothing but parallel. So equal vectors. Equal vectors means nothing but whose magnitude is equal and as well as. So whenever you take the B bar and D bar, both in the same direction you are having. So irrespective of the direction, whenever you are taking here, see here, vector C bar is this direction is there. So B bar and D bar equal vectors. Because equal vectors, when do we say? Whose magnitude is equal and as well as direction is also. Vector definition, equal vectors definition, you recall that so that you will be able to get it. So third one is collinear. Collinear bole to normally parallel but not equal. तो ये देखो ये दोनों भी कोलिनियर है, ये दोनों कोलिनियर है बिकॉज बट इक्वल वेक्टर्स, बट दीज टू वेक्टर्स C and A direction is different but their magnitude are equal and parallel. So same, these are parallel to the same line, parallel है, फिगर में दिख रहे हैं हम लोगों को. So that's why you can call that A bar and C bar, sorry, A bar and C bar vectors. ये उस तरफ जा रहे, C इस तरफ जा रहे, so they are not equal. They are not equal vectors. समझ में आया ना? Did you understand here? Huh? Next, answer the following. Fifth question में दे दिया है. Very simple. Whether true or false is asking. A and minus A are collinear is asking. Parallel तो होगा ना? ये parallel होगा नहीं होगा? Yes, parallel होगा. Same vector in the opposite direction if you are taking, and they are parallel. Two collinear vectors are always equal in the magnitude. Here itself one example you are having. ये दोनों two collinear vectors, A bar C bar are collinear, but equal in the magnitude. Always may not be equal in the magnitude. Here they are equal in the magnitude, but length may be different. Okay, so you may have the different. Suppose trapezium if you are taking into consider, then you are going to get the two collinear vectors are always equal in a magnitude is a false statement. It is a false statement. Okay, so next one is, third one is collinear vectors. Those vectors are parallel to the same line. The question is given to you, collinear vectors, those vectors are two collinear vectors having the same magnitude are equal. Two collinear vectors are having same magnitude are equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, समझ में आया? So this is the simple here. The problems are here. 10.1 exercise is not difficult to you. Okay, let us move to the 10.2 exercise. So the first problem is given to you. Compute the magnitude of each of the following vectors. So magnitude find out करना है, and the vectors are given in a component form. So one vector I am going to take C. C is equals to 1 by root 3 I cap, 1 by root 3 J cap, 1 by root 3 K cap. Here, sorry, minus is given. Minus. And asking you to find out the magnitude. Magnitude will be written as like this. So under root of 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by root 3 whole square plus minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Because xi plus yj plus zk, if it is given to you, under root of x square plus y square plus z square will become the magnitude. So which is equals to under root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equals to under root of 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. So C vector is which type of the vector? Can you say? Whose magnitude is equals to 1? Whose magnitude is equals to 1? The vector whose magnitude is equal to 1 is called unit vector. If the magnitude is equals to 1, it is called as unit vector. So like this, you can find out the magnitude of any vector. A vector whose magnitude is equals to 1 is called a unit vector. Second problem you see here, two vectors having the same magnitude. You need to give the right two vector, magnitude same होना है. Magnitude same होने के लिए just simple logic is क्या? A vector I am taking A bar. I can take here 2i plus 3j plus 4k. ये 3 इधर लिखो, 2 इधर लिखो, वेक्टर अलग हो जाता है, but whose magnitude is same. You can write either, you can take here minus b vector, you take here 3i plus 2j plus 4k. देखो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा, अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर होगा. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर होगा. बोथ आर इक्वल हो जाएगा. Two vectors having the same magnitude is not a difficult task for you to give. Any answer, any question, any answer you can give of your choice. Okay? समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट हियर, two different vectors having the same direction. Two different vectors, vectors different है but they should have the same direction. Direction same होने के लिए क्या बोलना है? Just their components should be in the ratio. Their components should be in the same ratio. That is nothing but if you take the one vector as a 2i plus 3j plus 4k and another vector, here the question is given to you two different vectors having the same direction. Direction same होना है तो पैरेलल होना है. पैरेलल बोले तो इसको पूरा any number से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. If I multiply by the 3, 6i plus 3 3s are 9j, 4 3s are 12k. So these two vectors are different vectors, not same vectors. This is another vector, this is another vector, but they both are same direction. So same direction बोल के कैसे पता चलता है? How do you find out the same direction? If their direction cosines are same means direction cosines are same means this direction cosine how do you find out? इसका direction cosine find out करना है तो L. Direction cosine is represented by L. 1 by under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Sorry, 1 by 2 by under root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. L आ जाएगा. So here what we get here? L is equals to 6 by under root of 6 square plus 9 square plus 12 square. ये दोनों सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, you are going to get the same number. समझ में आया? डायरेक्शन क्वेश्चन मींस इफ सेम डायरेक्शन में है बोल के पता करने के लिए they should have the in same direction cosine should be same. If you are having direction cosine same, then you can say that they are the same direction. Both are having in the same direction. Okay. Next, fourth question. Find the value of the x and y if two vectors are equal. Just to corresponding components to be, you have to make it equal. Fifth question देखो, simple here. Find a scalar and a vector components of the vector with the initial point 2, 1 and terminal point is minus. Very good here. So whenever initial point and terminal point questions are given to you, so be careful here. Most of the students will get it. Initial point is given 2, 1. P is the initial point. Consider the Q is a terminal point. And here the question is asking you to find the scalar and vector components. Scalar and vector components of the vector. So ये suppose ये point P इधर है, point Q है, ये vector convert करना है. तो ये initial point is nothing but actually P is nothing but what do you get here from this? Here the point is two dimensionally. Here it is given to you. So PQ vector whenever you are finding this minus this you have to do minus 5 minus 2 into I plus 7 minus 1 into J. If you are having a third coordinate, third also you have to take into consideration. So which is equals to you are going to get minus 7I plus 6J is a vector. So here in this case scalar components minus 7 gamma 6 vector components including this. So I told you in the previous class vector components is minus 7i is a one vector component, cap compulsory should be written, 6j is a vector component because what are I, j, k? I cap, j cap, k cap are called, these are called as unit vectors in the direction of the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. x-axis, y-axis, z-axis के direction में unit vectors होते हैं. Okay? समझ में आया? So next sixth question is given to you. Find the sum of the vectors. तीनों का sum करना है बोले तो I coefficients, j coefficients, k coefficients should be added. So in the seventh question, find the unit vector in the direction of this one. This is important question. You may get 2 marks question answer. Finding the unit vector in the direction of the given vector. First, what to do here? Any unit vector in the direction of the given vector is represented. A is a vector. The unit vector in the direction of the given vector is represented by a cap, which is equals to 1 by magnitude of a into a bar. So here what is given to you? Question number 7. A is equals to I plus j plus 2k. So first, what you have magnitude find out. Magnitude of this vector. Under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equals to under root of 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is equals to under root of 6. You are going to get it. So a cap is equals to a bar vector by magnitude of a. So that is nothing but 1 by root 6 I cap plus 1 by root 6 j cap plus 1 by root 6 k cap. That's all. Unit vector finding is not a very difficult thing. Find the unit vector. Say 8th question में क्या दिया है? What is the question given here in this? Find the unit vector in the direction of the PQ, where P and Q are the points given to you. P is a point 1, 2, 3 given to you. Q is a point 4, 5, 6. So PQ vector कैसे find out करेगा first? 4 minus 1 into I, 5 minus 2 into j, 6 minus 3 into k. वेक्टर आ गया जस्ट लाइक दिस एंड इसका मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड आउट करो एंड यूनिट वेक्टर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करो. इट्स नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टू यू. नेक्स्ट 9th क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू. फॉर द टू गिवन वेक्टर्स फाइंड द यूनिट वेक्टर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ a बार प्लस b बार. a बार प्लस b बार फाइंड आउट करो. फाइंड आउट करने के बाद उसको यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड आउट करो. सो दैट इज आल्सो सिंपल हियर. फाइंड अ वेक्टर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द गिवन वेक्टर व्हिच मैग्नीट्यूड इज गिवन टू यू, डिफरेंट मैग्नीट्यूड. फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट यूनिट वेक्टर, उसको हम 8 मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो गिवन वेक्टर को ये कंसीडर कर लो. ये क्या फाइंड आउट करो? यूनिट वेक्टर whose magnitude is 1. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड देखो. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा? ये वेक्टर है. दिस इज अ वेक्टर ओनली. सर व्हाई इट इज रिटन कैप मींस इट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर. सो द स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेशन विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस. सो इसका मैग्नीट्यूड यू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 by root 6 whole square plus 1 by root 6 whole square. Sorry, वो इधर 2 होगा. ये 2 है ना, 2 plus 2 by root 6 whole square. Because I came to know that here itself ये 1 नहीं आ रहा है, तो गलत किधर हो गया बोल के समझ में. So under root of 1 you get 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6, which is equals to under root of 6 by 6, which is equals to 1. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड 1. So like that in even 10th प्रॉब्लम में मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड आउट करो, उसको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो whose magnitude is equals to 8 you are going to get. 11th प्रॉब्लम is given to show these two vectors are collinear. collinear को के प्रूव करना है. तो what is meant by collinear? Parallel. दोनों को कोएफिशिएंट्स चेक करो, स्केलर कंपोनेंट्स चेक करो. the ratio of the scalar components is equals to means they are parallel, is nothing but collinear. 12th question is find the direction cosines. So direction cosines कैसे find out करते हैं? Magnitude. Suppose if you are taking here a vector as a ai plus bj, suppose ai bj ck. These are vector given to you. इसका direction cosines you can, if you want to find out the direction cosines, first find out the magnitude of the vector given. Then a by magnitude of a bar, b by magnitude of b bar, c by magnitude of a bar, c by magnitude of a bar. These three are called the direction cosines of the given vector. So it is also simple. Problems are all not different here. Easy problems, you can do it. Even 13th problem also you can do it. It's not a direction cosines only asking you to find out. 14th one, show that this is very different question. Different नहीं है. So show that here it is asking you. 14th question. Okay. 1 2 So this one question see here, remaining it is simple here. 14th one, show that the vector, given vector is, you consider let A bar is equals to I plus J plus K. This makes equal angle with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Equal angle with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis is nothing but, if you prove that alpha, beta, gamma are equal, if you prove that alpha, beta, gamma are equal, then you can say that means alpha is the angle made by the vector with the x-axis. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal means alpha, beta, gamma equal only, isn't it? So that is nothing but direction cosines only. Indirectly you have to find out. Direction cosines क्या है? Magnitude of a bar is equals to under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is equals to root 3. So therefore direction cosines are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So that is nothing but cos alpha is equals to 1 by root 3, cos beta is equals to 1 by root 3, cos gamma is equals to 1 by root 3. Therefore alpha is equals to cos inverse of 1 by root 3, beta is equals to also cos inverse of 1 by root 3, and gamma is also equals to 1 by root 3, so cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma. Alpha is an angle made with the x-axis, beta is an angle made with the y-axis, gamma is angle made with the z-axis. Okay, so 15th question, internally externally dividing point find out करना है. Internally externally. So let us see the one problem here based on this one also. Yes, internally externally dividing point find out करना है. So the position vector of the point R which divides the line joining the 2 points, position vectors is given to you. Here it is given to you, figure it is here. This is a P, this is a Q. If it is given to you, position vector बोला है OP is nothing but A bar, normal A bar. Problem number 15. A bar is equals to I cap plus 2j minus k, 2j minus k. B cap is equals to minus I plus j plus k. So this is A, this is B, and here the point R which divides the 2:1 ratio. This position vector is asking you to find out. So here R bar is equals to क्या है? Internally dividing is asking to you m b bar plus n a bar by m plus n. Here already position vectors are given to you. Sometimes position vectors may not be given to you. Position vector find out करना पड़ता है. इधर से इधर तक ये एक पॉइंट दे दिए, इसका position vector find out करना पड़ता है. Okay, so in this case m is equals to 2:1. So इसमें substitute करो 2 into b bar, I minus I j k plus 1 into I cap plus 2j minus k divided by 1 plus 2. One vector you are going to get. इसको simplify करें. Externally बोले तो minus लेना है. If you take externally minus, you need to take it to consider. Nothing else. Position vector is asking to you. So 16th problem में 16th problem it is very find the position vector of the midpoint बोल रहे हैं. So midpoint is nothing but n ratio is equals to 1:1 ratio you need to take here. Okay, and show that the points 17th question देखो, show that the points A, B, C with the position vectors. Already position vectors are given, and position vectors are position vector means please try to understand the terminology. Point A का position vector is nothing but OA. Point B का position vector is nothing but OB. Point C का position vector is nothing but OC. These three vectors are given to you. Form the right angle triangle. These three forms a right angle triangle is asked. These three forms a right angle triangle means here given. Suppose ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर लो, ये 90 डिग्री से होगा। So distances you need to find out here. Position vectors whenever it is given to you. So this problem, if you take into consider, I will explain it. 17th. So here the question is given position vectors of the point A, B, C. Let us consider that you may get in different ways. So assume kar raha hu main, just let us consider this is A, B, C. Position vector of OA, OB, OC is given. So that is nothing but this is A, this is B, this is C given. समझ में आ रहा है? So be careful here. ये प्रॉब्लम डायरेक्टली नहीं करना है. Most of the students will commit the mistake here. A cap is given to you, B cap is given to you. Sorry, A bar is given to you, B is given to you, C. Just A is given to you. What is given? 3I minus 4J minus 4K. B is given to you 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. C is given to you the vector 1 minus 3 minus 1. So now what we need to do here? AB vector find out करना है. So B bar minus A bar. Sorry, B bar minus A bar करना है. Position vectors is given to you. Their position vectors is nothing but, suppose if you want to find out A to B, B minus A find out करना है ना. इसका पॉइंट क्या हो सकता है? B bar vector means A point A is 3 minus 4 4. This point is 3 minus 4 4. This point is 2 minus 1 1. This point will be 1 minus 3 minus 5. Now if you want to find out A bar means what you need to do? So AB vector find out करना है तो B bar minus A bar find out करना है. B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar. 2 minus 3 minus 1I. Minus 1 plus 4 plus 3J. 1 plus 4 5K. AB. Like that, BC find out करो. BC is nothing but C bar minus B bar. ये भी O minus A करो. Next, what you need to find out? AB, BC, CA find out करो. Not AC. CA vector. CA vector is nothing but A vector minus C vector. And their magnitudes find out करो. Sum of the squares of the magnitude of the two vectors will be equal to the square of the another vector. Just like the right angle triangle. You may not have the points like this. Just assumption करके मैंने बोला है. Just you may get B may be the right angle triangle, B may not be the right angle triangle. ये भी इधर हो सकता है. Just assumption में just by assuming I told you, I given a figure to you this one. Okay, so next 18th and 19th questions are just objective bits. It is very simple to you. You can answer them. So with this we are completed the two exercises. In the next class you are going to start the dot product. Okay.